decades have passed since Michael Jordan's ultimate departure from professional basketball, yet his winning legacy still influences Jordan Brand's merchandise range. The eponymous label has created a lifestyle-focused model for women called the Women's Air Jordan Mule ahead of summer. At first look, the recently released design can be confused with a style that is available from other well-known women's wear brands worldwide. On closer examination, however, the penny loafer-like slot and insole bear the Air Jordan logo. The adaptable color scheme of black and metallic silver will be the launch color of the women's only product. While the oversized, platform sole unit returns to a matte texture, the top is executed with glossy leather. When combined, the two parts provide a striking, avant-garde style that deviates from the performance basketball line that has long been connected to the Jordan brand. Enjoy the Mule's official look up ahead. Pairs will retail for $145 on Nike.com by October.